How you doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I did some demonstrations on the new formula we designed, and man, I'm so fascinated. I went upstairs and I repainted over one of my Plexiglass screens, which I have in my gaming / office room. Also my playroom too, with all my little weights over there. So anyway, this right here is our new formula named the Eclipse Ultra 4K Supreme Cinema. As you can see, the screen is not what do you think? A lot of people thought it was gray. It's actually a kind of it's a slate gold. It's really a beautiful color. So anyway, in this demonstration we're going to be doing this on the 1080p projector. So I get that to focus a little better. We are around about, I say about 11 feet away from the screen, and we're doing this in a fully lit environment with plenty of light. So it's nice and bright, and this environment, there's nothing dark about it. Man, I'm telling you, this technology is freaking amazing. It's amazing. Alright, so first thing, let's begin. I'm going to remove this real quick, and I'm going to start the demonstration. For a minute. Can't have it that loud. Yeah, maybe. There we go. Sure, how much light we have in this environment. Show you how the game can pick up on a 190-degree viewing angle. This new technology is absolutely amazing. I'm loving it. Doing this in a well-lit environment. Look how bright this environment is. That looks absolutely incredible. Let me get my phone. My phone's sitting here on the floor. Don't want to step on that. Let me grab one more. I'm just going to grab a brighter demonstration. Keep in mind, we're doing this in a fully lit environment. My projector is sitting about 11 feet from the screen. Picture quality is not fading. It looks absolutely incredible. Sorry about that. Went back on one of my videos real quick. Go grab something really quick. Done this one already, but my video's kind of backtracked on me just a little bit. There we go. There we go. going through random videos. I wanted to get the one I wanted. I was just playing those for the time being. Okay, put my cell phone down for a minute. See, we have sunlight cascading in here. So this area is very bright right now. Alright, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. I want to add something in really quick. I'm going to pause my phone. It's on the floor. Sorry about that. Grabbing my cell phone off the floor. I want to pause this really quick. Now, I want to explain something, this little message to Mr. J. It doesn't bother us if you do demonstrations on our products or reviews. All we ask is that you do the demonstrations fair, and you do the demonstrations using the same lighting that we do in our environment, doing the same demonstrations that we do with the different forms of high performance projection screens. Just match the demonstration as the same or better, because if you do these demonstrations in your environment, where you have your screens at in the dark or whatever way you do it, and you don't do it on our level, which we do, it defeats the purpose of you doing the demonstration to begin with. So if you're going to do these demonstrations, if you're going to be doing these reviews on our product, do it the way we do it. At least take your technology and put it in the same technology, the same level we do our demonstrations on. Now, for those who want to know, notice this doesn't bother me in any way, because here's the thing. Before I can get a contract with a company, as I explained before, we have to sign an NDA. Once the NDA is signed, they take our technology down to their facility and they test it under all kinds of crazy stuff. Now, if the technology does well, we get a contract. And a contract means we get tons of orders that come in that allows me to do the things that I like to do. Within the last 3 years, I've been blessed to have a house every year. They move into a new house. Just moved, me and my wife recently just moved into this one, and I'm in the process of actually looking at another one. I'm actually thinking about buying a bigger house. So, you know, it just tells that our technology does work. You know what I mean? We have companies that test this technology, and if it doesn't work, I would never get a contract. I would never be able to. I'll be living in the same place, which, you know, everybody knows my old videos. I started off in a small little tiny room. I still would be in that small little tiny room. But God has blessed me to be able to progress with my technology and to be able to do things like this. So we just ask that those who basically that are going to be doing this kind of stuff, doing these reviews, you know, like I said, it doesn't make or break our company. We still have contracts at the end of the day. We still get paid at the end of the day. It doesn't change anything. You know, when I do my demonstrations, the TI-47, fully lit room, window light cascaded in, testing against the DMP Supernova, do the exact same demonstration. Because if you don't do those demonstrations the same way that we do it on our level, that shows that your technology is not on the same level as our technology. Alright, so let me finish this right now and get on with this, because I had to go down to a graphic design artist today and I have to start designing the labels for this new technology. Alright, so let's begin. Just want to put that out there. You know, you got some people that are probably coming to my channel and go, oh, you're hating. No, it's how you handle things on a professional level. There you go. And no, I don't pay it any mind. As a matter of fact, I'm looking forward to seeing his review, because I want to see if he's going to do the demonstration in the exact same environment as the TI-47. Are you going to do that in a fully lit environment? Light cascading in. I'm not talking about that shadow environment that you're in, not to be disrespectful. I'm talking about a fully lit environment. And testing against some of these high-end screens. Putting your screen through the exact same excruciating test that we put our screens through. And you're going to have to do that 23 feet back, buddy. Now look at this. Look how fantastic that screen looks. Alright, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain, showing off our new formula that looks absolutely incredible. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for your time.